Hi everyone, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today we're going to fill the shelves that is in my bay area of my dollhouse. I told you guys when I built this part of the dollhouse that I will be getting some mini make it lifestyle balls so we can go ahead and fill these shelves. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Alright guys, so we have 1, 2, and 3 lifestyle balls. Now I just want to dibble dab in it a little bit because I want to see how I liked it, and if I like it I plan on getting more. So let's go ahead and get crafting. Right, so what I'm going to do is show you what we can get so far. So far it says we get like a succulent plant. We can either get a turtle or a fish or more succulents or candles. There is a collector's guide inside, so I'll show you more once we open it. So let's go ahead and open ball 1. All right, so when you open the capsule, it's supposed to turn into a shelf in itself. I might use it, but I'm definitely going to save it if I go into future dollhouse building. And if you guys have been following my dollhouse building series, it is continuing. I'm just waiting for some orders from Amazon. So I'm just pulling everything out of the packaging right now, and everything is looking so good so far. All right, let's set everything down. It comes with all the instructions about how to use resin and all the precautions to take while playing with resin. So let me show you guys the collector's guide so we can see what we can get or possibly get. So we could either get, well, they have some coming soon and they have some that are already out that we can do. So we can either get some candles, we could get the fish, this turtle right here, and then we could get a betta fish, a cactus. I love succulents. That's a fun fact about me. I love succulents. And these 2 succulent plants down here. Now let's look on the back. Okay, so on the back, it just shows all the recipes like it does with all the other mini make-its. So let's go ahead and make this one. So I'm going to tilt you guys down. So let's go ahead and open up and see what we got. So we have our resin here, and it says fresh H2O. So this is water. So I'm going to go ahead and move this out the way. We'll build the shelf last. So this is the base for the shelf. Then we have a little bowl that is round. Okay, interesting. I'm excited to see what we get. And then here we have something that says thank you. So let's see what this is. Oh, it's a turtle. Okay, so low key I wanted the turtle, but I didn't want to say it and jinx it, but look at the turtle. Fun fact, I love Ninja Turtles, and they have a new movie that just came out. I'm definitely going to name this turtle Donnie, okay? I am definitely a Donatello fan. So let's go ahead and open this part. Let's see. Oh, and then it has the little rocks to go with the turtle so you can rest on. And then it also has some pebbles you can put at the bottom. Oh wow, I'm so happy. All right, so let's go ahead and get to building. Okay, so I've had some dolly friends give me some suggestions because they've done this before me, and they suggested that before I put the pebbles in, that I should put a little bit of resin at the bottom before I put the pebbles. But I will show you guys how the instructions tell you to. Okay, so this is the instructions. It says to put the pebbles, and then to add the rocks, then to add the turtle, and then to add the water. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of resin at the bottom to keep the pebbles sturdy, and then I'm going to go ahead and proceed with the rest of the instructions. All right, so let's open the resin. Let's see how it looks. Oh, this one has an actual lid. Some of them don't. Okay, so it slides right off, and it's like a clear consistency. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit inside. Just a drop, just a little bit, just to hold the pebbles. So now I'm going to go ahead and open up the pebbles. Okay, I have the pebbles open. They say it feels like kinetic sand, and it actually does, because fun fact, when I make a beach for my dolls or a beach scene, I use kinetic sand. So I am familiar with this consistency. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drop it in there at first. Kind of spread it around with my fingers. I don't know why I like working with my hands. I just hate using utensils sometimes because I feel like it stops me from doing what I want or letting things lay how I want it to lay. if that makes any sense. So I'm just gonna mold it the way I want it to be, even all the way around. All right, so that looks good to me. Let's see how it looks all the way around. Okay, so that looks good. So next, I'm gonna add a little bit more resin just to hold the rocks in place. So I'm gonna put it right in the middle, like that. Then I'm going to open the rocks. Okay, so once I open the rocks, it comes with 3. So I'm just going to start laying the rocks in the middle. If you have small hands, this probably will work good for you to do it with your hands. But the tongs will work better if you have probably like bigger hands. But for me, my hands is my favorite thing to craft with. Let me know in the comments down below if you use the utensils or you like to use your hands. All right, so now we could place our turtle on the rocks. So I think we should add a little bit of resin under the turtle. I just want to secure everything. And look how cute he looks. I'm so happy. All right, so I'm just going to drop a little bit of resin right here. Just a little drop. Just a little drop, not like covering it. Then have the turtle on top like that, so where he's sticking out a little bit from the actual bowl. Let's see how he looks from the side. Okay, perfect. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, so let's go ahead and add the H2O. So I'm going around the turtle at first, and then around the front of him. I don't want it too high because I kind of want the turtle sticking out of the water. Okay, I like that. I think that's good enough for me, in my opinion. All right. But you could do what you want. That's the fun thing about these Miniverse, is that you can make it however you like. So now I do see a bubble right there, so I am going to take the tongs to pop it so I won't have any bubbles. Even though in water you do have bubbles, but you know, I don't want to have any bubbles in my resin. All right, so this is how the turtle's looking so far. So I'm going to go ahead and set him under the UV light. Okay, so now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and build the little shelf. So we're going to go ahead. I think this is supposed to slide the opposite way. Or is it already yeah, it's already the right way. I don't know why I saw some videos people were sliding it the opposite way. And then you just go ahead and click this part into place. And then there you go, you have your shelf. So you guys know what the shelf looks like. And you could probably put it on a table in a dollhouse and it looks really good. So let's move on to the next capsule. All right guys, capsule number 2. All right, so let's see what we got here. Oh wow, so we got more water. All right, cool. So it says Aqua Sun Co. H2O. And then we got another bowl. Okay, I hope we didn't get the same thing all over again. All right, and then we got tongs. And then we got Happy Home, Sweet Home. All right, and then we have a shelf. So let's go ahead and see what we got. So let's open this part. Oh my God, I feel like we got the turtle again. Oh my gosh, it's a duplicate of the turtle. I mean, I love you know what? I'm going to go ahead and add this turtle to the other aquarium. All right, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I put the turtle with the other one so he can have a little friend. We'll call him Leonardo. All right, so next, what I'm going to do with the leftovers, I'm going to do a little bit of DIY. And I have a really cute idea with duplicates I got from Mini Fashion. So let's get into it. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of resin at the bottom and the rocks. And I'm also going to add the pebbles. So you guys already see me do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that off camera. Okay, so this time I spread the rocks out to more towards the edge because I'm going to add these little flowers that you get in the little Mini Fashions. And I'm just going to go ahead and add some to the bowl towards the edge so it could look like a vase. So I'm gonna add one flower here. Actually, I think I should add some resin then the flowers. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up with some resin. I think that looks really cute. All right. So let's see that corner there. All right, cool. Just swirling it around. So I'm going to add one flower here sticking out. Then add another one here. I think this is so cute. And then I'm going to add the third flower right here. Oh, it's so pretty. I like that. All right, so we have a little bowl of flowers. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this set under the UV light. So don't get sad if you get duplicates, you can always DIY. All right, so our final capsule, capsule number 3. All right, so let's open it up and see what we got. It looks like we got something different because it has this yellow paper. All right, so let's pull everything out. It comes with this little box, so cute. What does it say? It says you glow, okay. And it says on the top, Sunshine Candle Co. I love anything sunshine. All right, and then we have something that has honey bees, and it says beeswax rose. Nice. And then this in the back, it says have a sunny day. And I love that pink color. That's one of my favorite color, pink. It matches my sofa. All right, so we're gonna put this to the side because I already showed you guys how to use this. Oh wait, there's a little nozzle in the back. Okay, so you guys, if you do this, make sure you look out for that little nozzle. So let's go ahead and put this together. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we got. So I want to open this one first. Ooh, we have some candle wicks. I'm super excited. I really wanted a candle. All right, so let's see what is here. Let's see what the tray looks like. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so cute. Ooh, it matches my living room. That is so cute. I love this design. So cute. I have not seen this one. All right, so let's look and see. I'm guessing what candles we got. Let's see the shape of the actual candles. And also look, it has a little sign that you have to have this way up because it might break. That's so funny. All right, let's open this up. Oh, these are so pretty. Do you guys see this? Oh, that's so pretty. Let me see what, okay, so I'm guessing this is the top. Okay, oh my goodness. Let me place it on there, see? Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Let me zoom you guys in. Do you guys see how cute that is? I love that. Okay, let's go ahead and put it together. This is how the instructions is showing. It's showing to put the wicks down first and then to put the resin. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and open the wicks. Okay, so these are how the wicks look. They're both the same height, but we have to cut the one in the short little glass after it is set. So I'm gonna go ahead and place these in there. I just want to make sure they're straight. Okay. Okay, so I set the wicks inside. So now let's go ahead and open the resin. Let's see what color it is. Okay, let's move this to the side. Okay, I think it's supposed to be like a pink color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it in there. Let's see. Oh wait, I'm supposed to put the nozzle on. Now we can put it in. So let's see if we can get this down. I hope it doesn't splatter out because it did that to me on the hot dog when I did the cafe series. Let's see. Oh, okay. I'm gonna try to be even on both sides so the wick can stay even. All right, so I filled both candles with the resin. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this under the UV light and then we'll see how everything looks once it's cured. Everything is cured. So this is how my candle came out. Absolutely love it. And I cut the wick on the shorter one to kind of even it out. These are my turtles. The bubbles did show up on the edge of the bowl. I did pop the bubbles before I cured it, but it just made more bubbles. But I don't mind it because in water, there's bubbles anyway. So it doesn't really bother me. And then this is our little DIY that we made with our doubles. So if you get doubles, don't fret. You can always use stuff around the house with resin and make pretty little centerpieces for your dollhouse. So this is my final result of the mini make it lifestyle. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already do at Bougie Doll Life, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.